holidays, everyone. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and today we got a Christmas gift for one of our patients. He's going to have teeth for the first time. This is crazy. Piper's here. We'll show you her in a bit to help entertain you guys. And so let's go ahead and take a look at our patient. Okay, so how are you?
I'm here.
All right, you're here. So you have not had teeth for how many years?
About 10.
10 years, and you're a good-looking guy. What kept you from getting your teeth fixed?
Last pair of dentures I had was very uncomfortable. Didn't like them. Started out wearing them. Of course, I grew out of adjustment, made it worse. So I just quit wearing them altogether.
Okay. All right, so let's take a look in your mouth here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. So he has not had teeth in the front for a very long time. Today we're going to give him the gift of a smile. And also on the lower, turn to the left. He's missing lower teeth, upper teeth, turn to the right, and also upper and lower teeth. And you are going to be amazed at the result. Now, we did not go with implants because of cost. So what we decided to do is a Valplast partial. We didn't do a snap-on smile. We did a Valplast partial because of the amount of missing teeth he had. So we're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is what the Valplast partial looks like. There are no clasps. So there's not going to be any clasps that look unsightly when you smile. That's what patients really dislike about the old types of partials. This is called a Valplast, and we're replacing his missing teeth in the front, and it's incredible the change. So let's place this in and see exactly the patient's response. So this is a Valplast partial, and what we're going to do is we're going to try it in, and we are going to change this patient's life. Go ahead and open. It literally just fits over all of the teeth, and here you have it. Check this out, folks. Bite down. We've already adjusted. Go ahead and bite down. There you go. We've already adjusted the bite, and we also made him a lower partial. This one we did have to have clasp because of the bite. Bite down, please, and smile. Oh la la, the man's got some teeth, and he is going to see this for the first time after 10 years. So we're going to have the big reveal. Piper is here to observe. And how are you feeling with teeth for the first time?
Much better than what it was.
How do you think it's going to affect you?
Well, I probably won't get as many strange looks walking down the road.
I know, exactly, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so you ready?
We'll see what we got.
Are you nervous?
Maybe a little.
Okay. All right. Oh my God, this is crazy.
Hey Piper, what do you think?
What do you think, Piper?
Piper, look. Look, Piper, look. I got teeth.
All right.
Oh,
here we go.
she loves my teeth. All
Ready?
right.
Here it is. Smile.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hey. Yeah, Kevin, I've got teeth. Well, yes.
It looks natural, huh?
Yes. Color match is really good, and yep, they fit nice. I can talk without biting my tongue, I guess. You know,
yeah, and I can tell that we're going to do a little bit of adjustment because I can tell in your speech you're having a little bit. Now, it's going to take a while to get used to it because it's on the roof of your mouth, and we're going to adjust that after the video's over. But yeah, you look pretty damn handsome.
Thank you.
Right?
I think it looks much better, yes.
Yes.
No big gaping hole.
No, exactly.
Yeah, those front teeth were lost due to a bicycle accident, and it was very hard to, I don't know, adjust to the other partial, and then there were some other tooth problems, and so I'm glad it's getting taken care of finally. It looks much, much better, much better.
Actually, you look very handsome.
Thank you.
They're going to be swiping right now. Okay, I'm Dr. Terri Alani. Happy holidays from Piper and me.
Huh?
Thanks for watching.